Hi guys, we are going to fuck an order. Let's go. Wait a minute. So this is mag-ASMR tayo ngayon. So wait lang. So ready na. Ready na. Hi guys, let's ASMR. Let's open this or unbox this. A minute. Let's go. I wish I got this or this. I wish I got this or I wish I got this or this. So let's go. Let's open it. But you will see first. Oh, let's see it. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look what I got, bro. What the fuck? I'm from Philippines, but I'm going to English because you know you are all English here. So, pwede ako mag-Tagalog. Nahihirapan na ako eh. Ganun na. So, I will Tatagalog na nga lang ako. Kapatid ko sa Brazil. Kita nga. Hi ka. Hi ka. Iba yung pangalan niya. Bakit naman? So, bawal tayo magmura, ha? Ang OOA kasi. So, this is my favorite. So, I can do this. Look what this. We can roll this. They not hurt. My siblings want her. Wait lang. Yung kapatid ko guys gusto mag-cellphone pero labat pa yung cellphone niya. Gusto niya gawin sa akin tong cellphone ko. AMG. Tapos, what? Inatawag niya akong paper. Ano naman? Nagmura ako kaganina. Na-visit kasi ako. So, dun lang guys. Wait lang.